In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily remove background noise from an audio in Capcut. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that if you have a video, what you want to do now is that you want to click on your video and look for the extract audio option. Click on it and this should extract your audio. Let's listen to the audio. In this video, I am going to show you and there is some background noise in the audio. So what you want to do is that you want to click on the audio and then search for the reduce noise option. Click on this option right over here and click on the OK option. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily convert your audio. In this video, so as you can see, there is now less noise in the audio than there was before. So that's how you can easily remove background noise from an audio in Capcut. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment,